Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa and for today's look I'm going to show you how to get this eye look right here using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Now I know there are a ton of tutorials out there using this palette, but so many of them are super intense, full glam, which is amazing, but I wanted to show you the versatility in this palette as well for a bit of a softer look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so to start off this look, I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow primer, and for that I'm going to use the Tarte Lid Lock Eye Base in the shade Buff that comes in this little pot right here. This is a drier formula, so I'd only recommend it if you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, you're not going to like this at all, so I'd recommend either a more hydrating eye primer or just go in with some concealer and set that with powder. But for this, I absolutely love it. It really helps my eyeshadow last all day and really minimizes creasing, which is what I'm looking for. So for this type of product, I've tried a million different ways to use it. The best way I've found is using a Morphe E45 brush, which looks like that. Smaller brush fits right very easily on my eyelids. So again, it's the E45, and I really get a lot of product on the brush, and you're gonna buff it right all over the eye. And this helps, again, to control the oil so that way your eyeshadow doesn't crease. But also, I do have pretty pigmented eyelids, and so this helps to cancel out any of that pigmentation. And I do drag it out pretty far as well, because I'm going to go in with eyeshadow there too. And on the other eye too. Now we're going to go in with the star of the show here, the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Now it does come with a little brush that I'm probably not going to use. So I'm going to start off with the shade, with the latest shade in the palette, which is Tempura, and using a flat brush. This is a Morphe E13. I'm just going to take some of that. This is more of a satin shadow. I'm just going to set that primer lightly with some shadow. And of course you would want to do the same if you were to use any other primer or concealer as well. So for the transition, I'm going to go in to Orange Soda on a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe R38 brush, and I'm going to be taking this bright orange shade right here and buff that into the crease. Now I think her palettes get sort of a bad rap for not being able to blend terribly well. You want to go in with a light hand. So if you're just starting out, take your brush, hold it at the base. That way you're not applying too much pressure to your eyelid. And that way you can, with a light hand, go in and blend all your shadows. And I'm not being precise at all, as you can see with this, just really going back and forth in windshield wiper motions into the crease, and then right towards the tail of my brow, I'm just going in with windshield wiper motions just to get that outer corner. And this will help create a gradient effect once you add the rest of your shadows. All right, next shade I'm going to go in with, and I'm going to use a little bit of a denser brush. This is a Luxie 249. I'm going to go in with burnt orange, actually. All right, now I'm going to apply that not quite as high as I did with Orange Soda. I'm going to put it right in the crease. Be careful not to take it too high up onto the brow bone, and the same, focusing it on the outer corner as well. Just to build up that crease a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with that initial brush that I used for orange soda, just pick up a little bit more of that and blend those two shades together right there in the crease. For the outer corner, I'm gonna go, what do I wanna do? I think I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Sienna, which is sort of a brick red shade right here. Super pretty. Using a Sonia Kashuk blending brush. A very light hand with that. And I'm gonna apply that right only at the outer corner and then starting to blend that down the lash line as well. And I'm also gonna, once I have blended out quite a bit on the outer corner, I'm gonna slowly take that up right in the crease once I don't have as much product on the brush. And continuing to blend that out. Taking that first brush again with no additional product, I'm just gonna go in and blend all those edges together. All right, now that we have that blended out, I'm gonna go in with one of her shimmer shades. The shimmers in this palette are so amazing. I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna take rose pink, which is the lighter of the rose gold shades right here. And I'm gonna apply that using a flat concealer brush. It's the Morphe M224 brush. I'm actually gonna pick up a little bit of product and then spray just a little bit of finishing spray just to really get an intense shine out of that. And apply that on the lid. I'm also going to apply a little bit of glistening right here, just in the center of the eyelid. And just to blend out the crease, I'm going to take, we'll just use that first brush again. Just make sure we don't have any harsh lines, blend all that together. And I'm going to go in with a little bit more of Sienna just to blend together the outer crease and those shimmer shades. Blend those edges one last time. All right, now for the lower lash line. Essentially what I'm going to do is just mimic everything I did on the top lid, or most of it I should say, right there in the bottom. This is an EcoTools flat eyeliner brush. And I'm going to go in with burnt orange to start with. Super close to the lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of Sienna and focus that only on the outer corner there. Really light hand, going with just a little bit of Sienna. So using a fluffier brush, and I'm going to use a Luxie 237. I'm going to take a little bit of orange soda and buff that all under on the lower lash line, just to really tie everything together. All right, now that is it for the eyeshadow portion. To finish tying this look together, I'm gonna go in with this is a L'Oreal, I believe. Yeah, L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Brown. This is in the shade Brown. And I'm gonna actually tightline my top lid with that. Oh man. I'll show you how to fix that one. And then the lower lash line as well. Now, if you do get, I don't know if you guys can see, if you do get eyeliner on your shadow, show you a little trick to get rid of that. Whatever you used for your lid color, so I'm going to use that black concealer brush. I'm just going to take a little bit of that rose pink shade. You can easily just dust that away. Tie all of this together. I'm going to take that flat shader brush again on the lower lash line and work in that liner just to blend that all together. I'm going to curl my lashes really quick and apply some mascara. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes again. It's definitely one of my go-tos right now. Alright guys, so this is it for today's tutorial. I absolutely love how this turned out. I love the oranges and the pinks. It really gets you in the mood for spring and really shows off the versatility in this palette. So you can do a super glam look, but I think this really soft everyday look is perfect as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.